Hey yo, niggas, you dey pray back to back. God never see bless you again for the second time. That no mean say God no go bless you. You inside you say you still know say many people sef still dey the street wey never even see light too for once. So no be you wey God don first bless, wey you don go squander, go lavish. No be say that one no go bless you. Many times sef, if you say God don bless you and na you never even press the right buttons wey you suppose press or hustle the way wey you suppose hustle wey you take get blessed. So in any situation wey you dey, still try to dey give thanks to God, appreciate God, because it's not easy to be alive. Many people don die. You yourself, you know many people wey you grew up with, wey be like say they die for your front. Some days say they call you for phone, say this so guy don die, your head still burst. So appreciate God for once. Kind time just come outside, just give thanks to God. Come outside, play Christian jam, appreciate life, give thanks to life. With God, all things are possible. That blessing wey you dey find, you go get am times two. So long say you dey with God and you dey hustle back to back. On God, no cap.